कहाँ पे चले? ट्रैक करेंगे भी? हाँ ऐसे देखो, ऐसे में भी ट्रैक करना है.
I love trekking since the day I saw Himalayas, and till now I have been to a lot of treks, but I have never experienced rain during trek. So I decided to go for a Himalayan monsoon trek.
अरे उठ जाओ सब लोग, गुड मॉर्निंग हो गया.
गुड मॉर्निंग भाईजियो.
केजी साहब, केजी साहब. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी फ्रॉम बालू का घेरा. टुडे इज़ द थर्ड डे और आज भी हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि मौसम कब साफ़ हो. सुबह सुबह और एक बैड न्यूज़, अभी देबाशीष की तबीयत एकदम बिगड़ती जा रही है. ही इज़ हैविंग प्रॉब्लम वाइल ब्रीदिंग. लाइक व्हेन ही ब्रीथ्स इन, चेस्ट पेन होता है उसको. सो it's really important for him to go downwards. What happens is when you go above 10,000 feet, oxygen level घट जाता है, it decreases. So that's why you get problems like headache, vomiting, chest pain, बहुत सारे problems आ जाते हैं. So as he's a beginner, मुझे तो लगता है कि he should go down. हमता पास हमें क्रॉस करके जाना है, शेरा गुरु. तो हमता पास is just 14,000 feet. It's really not मतलब suggested or really not recommended for Debashish to go there. If he feels well, if he can breathe, then fine, it's his decision. But मुझे तो जाना ही है यार वहाँ पे. Let's see. आगे तो बहुत difficult है, like it's too steep, very steep ahead. अब देख लेते हैं क्या है. I don't think it's going to be that much tough for me. बस एक चीज़ है कि इतना सारा लगेज है, बहुत लगेज है, लाइक कैमराज है और इतना भारी वजन, बैग भी बहुत बड़ा है यार. कोई नहीं, वी विल डू इट. वी विल रीच शेरा गुरु टुडे. वहाँ पे कैंप करेंगे. आई लेट यू नो. सी यू.
So what is Hampta Pass? It is a mountain pass at a height of 14,000 feet which connects Kullu and Lahaul Spiti districts of Himachal Pradesh. The two villages it connects are Jobri and Chatru, and it can only be accessed by trekking.
Okay, so finally the decision has been made. Debashish is going down. He will go to Manali or maybe Shaminala. It feels really bad. Debashish didn't make it. The pass is going down. But what can we do? Health comes first. Health always comes first. So whenever you feel some kind of sickness like vomit or any kind of sickness, immediately go down. Immediately go down. I have made my decision. I'm going ahead to Hampta Pass. That way. Wish me all the best. So the tent has already been packed. I'm gonna move ahead. The Rashish is going down. I feel very bad for him. It was his first trek and he didn't make it to Hampta Pass. It's okay. He's just a beginner. It's his first trek. When you are a beginner, you shouldn't go above 10,000. It's my bad. I asked him to do this trek. I should have never done that. I thought it might be easier. People say Hampta Pass is kind of easy trek. So that's why I thought it would be easy. So koi nahi. Whatever happens, happens for good. So this time Debashish was not meant to go to Hampta Pass. We'll do it next time.
Debashish is going back to Manali with Sahil Bhai, which is a very sad news for all of us. But I am determined to cross the Hamta Pass, so KG Saab will guide me through. And before leaving, I wanted to get clicked by the Bashish while doing a headstand. And you know what? The Bashish is a very good photographer. Check out some of his pictures from this Instagram handle. I'm really going to miss him for the next 2 days. Today is going to be the most difficult one because we have to trek 13 kilometers and
बाय बाय.
that too on a steep terrain.
आपको भी ऑल द बेस्ट. सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड. आसमान साफ तो हो गया है थोड़ा बहुत यार. मैं बिल्कुल आपके पीछे 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 चलता रहूँगा. जब मेरे को रुकना हो, थक गया हूँगा या फिर वीडियो लेना हो, आपको बता दूँगा. क्लाउड्स आर कमिंग इन. वी आर नॉट ट्रेकिंग on the snow for the third time. I feel better now. After I have started trekking, I feel better. चलिए, बर्फ भी आ गया. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल वाला था. This place feels like a different planet.
This is actual Balu Ka Ghera. As the name suggests, Balu means sand and Ghera means surrounded. When combined, surrounded by sand, it is a big plain land on high mountains. So the streams, they deposit a lot of sands. Maybe that's why the name is Balu Ka Ghera.
वो तो मस्त है यार. जी सब चढ़ रहे हैं. अभी इसको चढ़ना इतना मुश्किल है यार. यार अभी तो बारिश भी हो गई यार. क्या करें यार, डिफ़िकल्टीज बढ़ती जा रही हैं. नीड टू कीप गोइंग. ये नदी के थ्रू ऊपर, then left. That's Hampta Pass. See how the snow is melting, and these water make rivers like this. We have decided to stay in this not a cave, you can say a small shelter where you can where 2 people or 3 people can stop. We have decided to stop because it's raining. It's raining a lot. The weather is too bad. We don't want to be late on the bus, so अभी निकल लेना बहुत सही रहेगा. सोचो आप बिना गाइड के आए हो और ऐसे मौसम में हो, पहली बार आ रहे हो. थिंक हाउ टेरिबल इट विल बी. अभी तो बहुत किस्मत अच्छी है मेरी कि जी साहब है मेरे साथ. नहीं तो यार इस मौसम में यार कहाँ रास्ता ढूंढोगे. एंड इट्स स्नोफॉल. अभी स्नोफॉल भी शुरू हो गया. अभी से continuous on snow. We'll trek on snow till Hampta Pass. The fun begins now and the adventure as well. Need to be extra careful. Slippery. चलते रहो, कुछ भी हो जाए. There's nothing that can stop you. रेस्ट ले रहे हैं हम थोड़ा. मौसम भी थोड़ा क्लियर हो गया, देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और केजी जी के बोलने के मुताबिक हम अगर और सिर्फ 3 रेस्ट लेते हैं ना तो 1 घंटे में पहुंच जाएंगे. हाँ, हमता पास. चलते रहना चाहिए, तभी जाके आज हम पहुंचेंगे शेरा गोरू. हमता पास 1 घंटा और 1 घंटा शेरा गोरू. पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगे, वो आपकी वॉकिंग स्पीड पे डिपेंड करता है. Yes, Hampta Pass. Yes. And these people, they have also done it. So, Hampta Pass हो गया. Yes, completed. आज तो सुबह पता नहीं कैसा फील हो रहा था जब देबाशीष जा रहा था वापस. लग रहा था पता नहीं हम लोग कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. लेकिन केजी साहब, उनके वजह से ये हुआ है सब. 14,027 14,027 feet. I have been to higher than that, but still completed another trek, and that's going to be in my record. The 8th one, I guess. I have to count. I guess yes, it's the 8th one. Okay, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Congratulations, Hampta Pass.
Thank you.
Happy Pass.
Okay, so let's write my name. Yeah, that's my name. Exhausted, but still have some energy left to go to Shera. The most sad news of the day and of the trek. I hurt my knee. The knee which was already broken, I hurt that one. And it seems bad. I can't pick up my rucksack. So I'm offloaded now. KG Saab, he's taking my rucksack. As my knee is hurt, KG Saab, he's carrying my rucksack. And now we need to reach that campsite, which looks like here, blue and orange. So let's get going. I see the camps and they're very near. Such a big relief. Let's keep going. Let's reach the camp and I'll rest. And then no more photography, no more videography. Only rest. नहीं देख लेंगे थोड़ा बहुत. If I can manage to do some photography or videography. We are already at the Shera Goru campsite. Such a big relief after reaching the campsite. Oh my god. मुझे तो लग रहा था I'll be stranded over there. Thanks to KG Sahab. He really helped me a lot throughout the trek. I cannot forget this. Never ever. And I learned a lot of lessons about trek, जो कि मुझे इतना ट्रैक करने के बाद भी नहीं पता था. While coming to Hampta Pass, we left our tent with Sahil Bhai, so that's why we don't have a tent right now. But we will talk to the guys who are already in the tent. Let's see if they can manage to accommodate us, if they have enough space with them. This place, it's really great. Sage yourself.
Shera Goru is said to be the coldest place here. In Himachali language, Shera means cold and Goru means home.
Good news. Yes, good news. वो लोग मान गए and they are providing us accommodation. In fact, they are providing us a different tent. Yes, and also food. किसने expect किया था ये सब? Oh my god, this is my best day. ऑब्वियसली मतलब वहाँ से जब चल रहा था पता नहीं क्या क्या सोच रहा था कि केव में रहना पड़ेगा, कहाँ कहाँ रहना पड़ेगा। तो चलो टेंट भी मिल गया, ऊपर से खाना भी मिल गया। यस।
There is nothing interesting to do tonight. Debashish is not here, stars are also not here, or else we could have done some astrophotography. Let's sleep early tonight. We have to wake up early so that we can catch a bus from Chatru, and Chatru is 6 to 7 kilometers from Shera Goru.
तो यही है वही टेंट। ओके, सो टेंट तो देख लिया आपने, बहुत सही है। अच्छा किस्मत वालों को मिलती है। बहुत सही था किस्मत यार मेरा आज, बहुत सही। पता नहीं क्या क्या हो गया, जो भी होता है वह सही होता है, इतना टेंशन नहीं लेना। अभी तो रात के 10 बज चुके हैं और हमें जल्दी से सोना चाहिए, जल्दी से जल्दी, क्योंकि 10 बजे मतलब पहाड़ों में बहुत लेट है, बहुत लेट। तो चलो डे 3 यहीं पे एंड करते हैं, यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं। बाय बाय।